In a significant trade development, the US will implement additional 25% tariff on Indian goods starting August 27. This move is likely to have significant implications for India's economy and trade relations with the US. Former Indian Minister Saifuddin Sood has called for people's movement to restore the special status of Jammu and Kashmir, which was abrogated by the Modi regime in 2019. Sood emphasized that the real demand of the Kashmiri people is the restoration of special status under Article 370. The occupation regime has imposed a night curfew in Riyasi effective immediately. The move is likely to further restrict the movement and freedom of the local population. In a concerning development, Delhi police detained 2 journalists who were covering a protest against a recruitment scam. The incident raises questions about press freedom and the ability of journalists to report on sensitive issues. Mirwais Umar Farooq has urged a united effort for the release of Kashmir detainees who have been languishing in jail for years. Mirwais also greeted Muslims on Rabiul Awwal and highlighted the teaching of Prophet, peace be upon him. The world has been urged to stand in solidarity with oppressed Kashmiris who have been facing human rights abuses and restrictions on their freedoms. The call to action has been made using the hashtag #StandWithOppressedKashmiris.